credit to the bench players that I have to pull out, like Jed Mendoza, Troy Manili, and Jack, Dumont, everybody helped out. We contained them, we played good defense, and what the thing is that, you know, I love what said is doing. He's being the leader of the team. So he took over. KB is going to be there, of course, all week. And you know, credit to Coach Charles. They never gave up also. Just happy, just very happy that we had this win. It's a good start for the second round. Hopefully we can, you know, push more and get some more wins.
Thank you, Coach Mac. Now we would like to open the floor for questions.
Cedric, how are you? Good job.
Ano mo na yung mic dito? O spot? Mic.
Okay, sorry.
Sir, congrats. Just talk about how you took over when you guys were playing by 9 and 10 before. Just talk about how you take over the game.
We know what kind of team we are when we're getting stops, taking pride on our defense, and then just executing offensively. Our coaches put a great game plan together, and you know, when we executed and when we did what they wanted us to do, what they've been preaching to us, things went good for us. So I think that, you know, contributes to the comeback.
How about the last time you faced Phoenix? I think you know that 10 points is what we did. Was that like a motivation that you wanted to bounce back tonight, or something like
I feel like I had some of my best games against Phoenix, so not having a great game against them last time kind of put a bad taste in my mouth. But honestly, just as a team, that was the vibe. We knew we were better than, you know, how we performed last game, and I kind of just wanted to be more aggressive and not settle as much. And I think, you know, we did a better job of that today.
Coach Pat, congrats sa kung saan mo masasabi mo sa pinakita nila James Una, si Cory Malilin, even for the few minutes si David Mendoza, the fourth quarter.
Yeah, sabi ko nga kanina, it's great having them around. You know, I told them to be ready, and they were there. And yan ang mga kailangan namin sa team, yung mga extra utility guys that, you know, can turn around some games, you know, with the hustle and not giving up, and, you know, puro puso. So just happy that we played that well, especially Cedric. You know, I told him, being the leader of this team, he has to step up, and he did. And hopefully we get more wins coming.
Si RK was, there was one sequence na made the turnover, nag-respond siya with crucial plays in the stretch.
Yeah, our team is going to be our team. I told him to settle down, get composed. Need to take him out a little bit, you know, think about the things that we can do. And when he came up, you know, a good run for him, you know, and playing good defense is the key palagi. Yung ano namin, if you're not playing well on offense, you gotta play good defense.
Coach Inebra, hindi mo makantay yung first round, ano lang, hindi mo kayo panalong to.
I hope it would boost our chances going to against Ginebra. I think I told you before that we picked the ball on them. You know, probably having that bad game, almost win against Meralco. It felt bad, really, you know. And I think we're prepared now because of this, you know, this game, especially this game, that, you know, we came back from a 10-point lead, and nararamdaman ko na gusto nila. So yun yung puso natin na kailangan lagi kami handa, lagi kami ready, lagi kami aggressive. And things happens for a reason. So sabi ko, just do your stuff and win.
Said the game against Nebra was big importance because of the standings. They're 2-3, the standings in Group B is quite a lot dyan. How big that will be that game?
It's a big game. I mean, the next game is always the biggest game, but you know, we didn't perform well against them last time, so I think there's that extra motivation. And then, like you said, the standings are really tight, so one game, 2 games can swing your chances for the playoffs, and we know that. So we gotta be mentally prepared, physically prepared, and just be ready to fight.